Madhavendra Puri was sent by Gopal Didi. I am feeling headache. He has no money, Madhavendra Puri. He says, you go down, the Didi says, to South India, to Mysore. He's in Vrindavan. Walk down to Karnataka and bring me some sandalwood. And how much sandalwood? He tells him. An immense quantity of sandalwood. My whole body has to be covered. So that's a very big task. And Madhavendra Puri immediately sets off, walks how many months we don't know down to South India, somehow collects up, fills up a big load of sandalwood, has to fight off thieves and dacoits. When he gets up, he goes via Bengal to avoid the mountains, via Orissa. There, of course, Krishna said that, alright, you just cover the sandalwood on the Gopinath deity and that will satisfy me. There's no difference. So whether the test is given by Krishna himself or by the spiritual master or by Krishna in our trying to get to a spiritual master, we see that if someone is sincerely determined that I will find the absolute truth, I will become established in pure devotional service, nothing can stop. It doesn't mean that, you have to first be a pure devotee. Then I will start to. You have to desire, I want to be a pure devotee. I want to be situated in pure devotional service. And then nothing can stop the progress of that. Just like the river is flowing. In Mayapur, the river is flowing to the ocean. They try to dam up the river, especially when they build the Indian dams, and they all break. Nothing can stop these rivers. If it doesn't break, it floods and goes around. But it's going to reach the ocean, one way or the other. We have to have that desire that I want to reach the ocean. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, the ocean of devotional nectar. No matter what Krishna puts before me, then I know that this is simply to purify me. This is simply to qualify me to be eligible for that mercy. Wherever there's an obstacle, Krishna also gives the solution. He also gives the strength to overcome. So when we remember the previous acharyas, like Madhavendra Puri, Srinivasacharya, Prahlad, we see that there's difficulties. That's why some people say, why become a devotee? Even all the great devotees, it's always difficult. That is how Krishna shows who is a devotee. When there's difficulty, he doesn't waver, he doesn't stop. He goes on. Then everyone can see, he is a devotee. In spite of so many difficulties, he continued. He just stuck to his service. He didn't lose faith in his Guru and Krishna. That is what it means. Mahajana Janagata Sapunta. They're all doing the same thing. They're determined. Fixed. Thank you very much.